So for 44, we got, let's see what does it say. Use the properties of inverse trigonometric functions to evaluate the expression. Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. What is an inverse trigonometric function? Well, you see all these ones that have arc on it. Those are inverses. What's another way to write arc? With a -1 exponent. Yes, okay. So let's do 44. It says, inverse properties? Oh, dang. See how like they're inverses of each other?
Yes.
My answer is 25.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's it. So all these are the same, guys. The answer to this one is 0.3. The answer to this one is -0.1.
That's really harder.
While most of the time they just cancel each other out, most of the time, you have to think about the answers to arc sine and arc cosine. You got to think about their answers. Okay? Arc sine, his answers can only be found in the angles from -pi/2 to pi/2, right? They can only be found there. That's because if you guys look at arc sine as a function, like as a graph, it goes like right there to there. It goes from -pi/2 to pi/2. That is the function of arc sine. So when you think about that and you're looking at this, the answer cannot be 3 pi. It can't be 3 pi because 3 pi is bigger than half of pi. So how the heck do we do that? So now think about each step. What is sine of 3 pi? Okay, don't ignore this. What is sine of 3 pi? We go over to our unit circle. We go 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. What are the coordinates right here? It is a -1, 0. So the answer is 0. So now we have arc sine of 0. And we know the answer to that. What is the answer to that? What angle gives us 0 for sine?
2 pi.
Remember, it has to be in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Yeah, if you said 0, you were right. Right here. That would give you a 0. And 0 fits in my range. And this is also true. This is also true for this guy right here. You're going to have to think about the range for arc cosine. Now, arc cosine is a little different than arc sine. Arc cosine looks like this. So it goes from 0, the range goes from 0 to pi. All right, these are your answers for arc cosine. So you're only looking at quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 for your angles, okay? From 0 to pi. Those are the answers, the only answers for arc cosine.